In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn e-money using Binance in just 5 minutes. Before we dive in, make sure you have the Binance app downloaded and your account set up, as this will make the entire process much smoother. Once you've gotten that sorted, let's get started. First things first, open up your Binance app and go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you have any issues logging in, make sure you check your network connection or consider resetting your password via the app. Having trouble logging in can be frustrating, but it's essential to keep your credentials secure and up to date. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it can be quite helpful to know where everything is. Locate the Earn section on this home screen. This is your gateway to the e-money earning world within Binance. When you tap into the Earn section, you'll be presented with two primary options: low risk and high yield. This is where decisions regarding your investment goals come into play, so take a moment to think about your approach. If you're more conservative, opting for the low risk option might be ideal. However, for those looking to maximize potential earnings and are comfortable with some risk, the high yield option could be more appealing. Remember, the decision depends on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. After deciding between low risk and high yield, you'll see a list of available coins to invest in. Look through the options and select the coin that aligns best with your strategy. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and tap subscribe. This action is similar to showing interest or opting into a particular plan. At this stage, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to subscribe with. Think carefully about how much you want to invest. It's always smart to start small if you're new to this and gradually increase your investment as you become more experienced. Double check your entry to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident, proceed to confirm the amount. After confirming your subscription, your earnings will start being added to your account daily or as per the plan you've chosen. Different plans have different schedules, so it's important to note this detail. This passive income can be a fantastic way to grow your e-money steadily over time without having to actively manage it day to day. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've positioned yourself to start earning e-money on Binance. Remember to frequently check your earnings and revisit your strategy as the market conditions change. Thanks for watching and happy earning.